Okay, here we have the advanced SC900. We're gonna show you how to clean your machine after work and how long it takes to do it. I'm gonna open the battery area, cover the charger and the fuse box, just to prevent any water getting to the system. Just like this, very easy. We can remove this cover. Just take it out like this, pull the other one like this, and it came off. There we just put it there. Then we spray some of the degreaser. Throw some water there. Make sure that we take sand and salt off. You can take off the pads. Look at all this sand it has. Very recommended. Take off the pad holders and clean all that always. I'm gonna put the pad holder down. You can see there, so some sand, salt. This machine is only 4 months old, and look at the conditions already. So let's spray a little bit more degreaser. This section over here. Tank. Okay. Of course, you can do a little bit faster after you have some practice on this. I usually, when I'm working, I take the machine, I fill up the water, and the main time is filling up the water, I start cleaning around a little bit here, there. Then I don't have to do this at the end of the store, no. At the end of the cleaning, and I keep my machine usually very clean. Presentation is very important. How you remember how your equipment looks like It's how you do your job. If your machine looks nice and the area where you keep everything for your cleaning, for your daily cleaning, looks always clean and nice, that talks a lot about you and your work. So the next step would be get a vacuum, suck all that water from there. The water was there when we started the video. Somebody probably sprayed the machine around and didn't do it right. That's why the purpose of this video is to show you guys how to do it right. Somebody when spray it didn't put any plastic back here around and has marks. The water slide here through the charger, has water through the fuel box. So for the next time, guys, really please trying to put a plastic bag around and don't spray too much water over the tank, so the water is not going to slide through this section over here and wet all the batteries and all the electronic components. Okay, the squeegee, guys, I just spray with water. I will make another video, show you how to take off piece by piece, rotate the blades, and also I will show you how to adjust the squeegee and the SC900. This section over here, I didn't spray any water on it, I just wipe it. I don't want any component get damaged in here. And I recommend you guys get a spray bottle with a D40. Spray all the machine around, wipe it, and the next time that you guys have to clean it, it's gonna be so much easy. Well, guys, I hope the video helped a lot of you guys, and see you next time.